Hi everyone, this is Venkat Rashid from CSE department and our project is hashtag prediction and social media. And our team members are Said, Shivakrishna, Gunteja and Ravichandra. And we completed our project under the guidance of Digital Stream Ma'am, Assistant Professor, Department of CSE. Now get into the project. In the area of social media, the use of hashtag has become a relevant way for users to categorize and label their posts. However, the manual usage of hashtags can be time consuming and error prone. To address this challenge, hashtag prediction has emerged as a valuable task in the realm of natural language processing machine learning. The goal of our hashtag prediction is to automatically suggest a set of relevant hashtags for a given piece of text. The model will take your tweets as input and separate each word of those into three groups, namely sentiment, when, and kind. And this is our architecture. This tweet extracts the tweets from a database and enters into the extensive features extraction. This will extract the features from Wikipedia, web, and word embedding. Through this, it will enter into the feature selection and processing. After the completion of processing that are given by the user, it will generate the hashtags relevant to the given text. And this is the graphical user interface of our project. See, the result of our project will be like this. Suppose the user gives like it's so cold out, where spring. This is on text given by user, and he click on the get hashtags. Then it will generate cycle like this. And this is the analysis of the result. The hashtag prediction model performance and effectiveness can be initially evaluated by comparing the predicted hashtags with manually selected hashtags for a set of tweets. The evaluation user satisfaction, perceived efficiency, and overall experience will be automatic hashtag recommendations through survey or feedback. Our system will automatically recommend hashtags through feedback that was given by the user, and it can analyze the distribution of predicted hashtags across various categories like sentiment, when, and kind, which will offer insights into the model proficiency into categorizing tweet content. And it will in our project it has a comprehensive analysis of the hashtag generation results, which considers accuracy, distribution, engagement metrics, hashtag diversity, and user experience. Through this, it will provide valuable insights into the model performance and effectiveness, and which also helps for revolutionizing hashtag usage and social media interactions. Conclusion: our project mainly embarked on a journey to address the challenges posed by manual hashtags and aim to simplify content discoverability and enhance user interaction. And our approach navigate the intricacies of social media text from disappearing informal language and ambiguous context. And through the development process, our focus mainly stayed fast on user centricity, intact refinement, and scalability to meet the evolving demands of social media platforms. And this is our code. Here, here the declaration and installation will be done in this code. After that, the pre-processing and it will split the data into two parts, and it will got a data will be splitted. Here the testing will be done. This is the result of a project. First, the user will enter a tweet here. It will predict hashtags like this. Now, let me show you how our project will work. I will show the execution of our project. So, this is our graphical user interface. Suppose if a user enter a tweet in the tweet box, it's like this is the tweet that was given right now. Now I will generate the hashtags by clicking on the get hashtags. See, the hashtags is predicted. It looks like it will predict like a negative current weather in code. This is how our project will be done. Thank you guys.